Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today I am going to start new chapter of physics, chemical effects of electric current. Students, you have seen when you touch an electrical appliance with wet hand, you may get an electric shock or it may be dangerous for us. So why it is dangerous to touch an electric appliance with wet hand? You know that some materials allow electricity to pass through them. They are called good conductor of electricity. Like metals are good conductor of electricity, and some material which do not allow to electricity pass through them are known as poor conductor of electricity, like wood, rubber, plastic, all these are poor conductor of electricity because they do not allow to light pass through them. That is why we use rubber slippers when we touch electrical appliance, or when we test current is pass in an electric wire or not, we use test and its handle made up of glass or wood or plastic. So how can we test that metals are good conductor of electricity and wood, plastic, all these are poor conductor of electricity? So here it is an electric cell and bulb and a tester. You know that handle of tester is made up of wood, plastic or glass, and its one end is made up of metal. So when we arrange these articles like this, this is electric wires. So when one end of electric wire touch with one end of cell and other end of electric wire is touched with other end of cell, and this wire connected to the metal part of the tester. So bulb glows. When this circuit completes, bulb glows. So it shows that metal are good conductor of electricity. And when we arrange these articles like this, in this arrangement we have touched the electric wires to the handle part of the tester. It is made up of wood or plastic. In this case, bulb does not glow. So it shows that plastic, wood, all these are poor conductor of electricity. In this way, we can see that metals are good conductor of electricity and plastic or wood are poor conductor of electricity. So you can see that metal and wood or plastic or glass, all these are solids. Do you know that other than solids, liquid also conduct electricity? We know that electrical energy is a very useful form of energy and it can be converted into chemical energy. So in this chapter we will learn how electrical energy is converted into chemical energy through some liquids. But before that we will learn some important terms used to convert chemical effects of electric current. I have told you what are conductors that allow to pass electricity through them are known as conductor, like copper, iron. All metals are good conductor of electricity. Insulators are those materials which do not conduct electricity, like plastic, wood, rubber. Next term used in chemical effects of electric current is electrolyte, a substance which conducts electricity when dissolved in water is known as electrolyte. So what is an electrolyte? A substance which dissolve in water that conduct electricity. For example, sodium chloride and sodium hydroxide. When sodium chloride dissolve in water, it conducts electricity. So, solution of sodium chloride is a is an electrolyte, and solution of sodium hydroxide is also an electrolyte. Next is ion, a particle or group of particles which carry some charges on them. So when sodium solution of sodium chloride, NaCl is the formula of sodium chloride, and when electric current is passed in solution of sodium chloride, it changes into sodium ion and chloride ion. So this is a particle which carries some charges on them. This is a positive charge and this is a negative charge. So this is known as ion. You will read it sodium ion and chloride ion. Next is electrolysis, the decomposition of an electrolyte with the help of electricity. Electrolyte is the solution of sodium chloride, and when electric current pass in solution of sodium chloride, it dissociate into and decompose into its ion, and this decomposition of an electrolyte with the help of electricity is this process is known as electrolysis. And next is cell. Cell is a source of electricity, and when two or more cells combines, so the combination of two or more cells is known as battery. This is the symbol of cell. When two or more cells are combined, this is known as battery, and this is the symbol of bulb. So you have seen that a substance which conduct electricity when it dissolve in water, like solution of sodium chloride. This is known as electrolyte. Solution of sodium chloride is known as an electrolyte, and when electric current pass in the solution of sodium chloride, it decompose into its ion. Positively and negatively charged particles are known as ions, and the decomposition of an electrolyte into its ion when electric current pass, this process is known as electrolysis. So today you have learned some important terms used to describe chemical effects of electric current. In next session we will study how liquids conduct electricity. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.